Chickaletta.
Excuse me. It's amazing how much rubble pops up when he eats popcorn. Now, Chiclos.
I guess after all the excitement, you deserve a nibble.
Here you go. Mr. Porter's mini pies.
Whoa, that was fast. What? The baskets! The candy!
Ha! Finally, someone else swipes out for a change. It's a perfect match.
And that sounds like somebody who just ate a house.
Oh, maybe I've been making you eat too much corn, Chickaletta.
Yummy pineapple. Come and get it.
Oh, great. Now it's full.
No. I ate too many escargots. Excusez-moi.
But if it's not in the pot... Oh, come back.
Oh, Garvey, mind your manners in front of our guests.
Looks like I found a sweet way to control Sparks after all.
Hey! Did you eat all my buttery popcorn goodness?
That's it. Don't worry. The Paw Patrol is on the way. Chickaletta, slow down. You'll get a tummy ache.